Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs, and I paint monsters at haunted attractions all over the world. Come on and join me. Good morning, my people. Yes, we're here, Chino Hills, California, the Haunted Shoppe. It's in a shopping center. It's pretty darn cool, nice area. So really appreciate you guys coming on board. We're doing our best to sit there and get some time lapse for you. The black lights will be arriving next week. I have mine here that we're just throwing down with, but doing our best to show you what it looks like in the black light with all the white lights. And there will be other workers in here, so we have to play nice with others. It's not my strong point, but I'll do my best. So hey, thanks a lot for coming on board, people. Like, share, subscribe, and hey, we'll see you on the next video. Take care.